Unlocking Success on YouTube, a journey to growth. Welcome to the digital universe, where your creativity matters, and your YouTube channel can take you to the stars. Think of your channel as a brand, a personal story that you're promoting. Consistency, innovation, and authenticity must be your guiding principles. Understanding your audience is a key to success. Analyze their interests, habits, and feedback. Predict their needs and deliver content they will love. Speaking of content, remember quality always trumps quantity. Aim to create valuable, engaging, and high-quality videos that viewers will remember and share. SEO optimization is your best friend. Use keywords, create catchy titles and descriptions, and utilize all YouTube's features to enhance your visibility. Collaborations can open new horizons. Team up with like-minded YouTubers, share audiences, and grow together in this marvelous digital ecosystem. Lastly, patience and perseverance are your true allies. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your YouTube empire be.